Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can add a microphone to OBS Studio. So this is a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we need to do is under the sources section, once you open the OBS Studio, you will find this plus sign right here at the bottom. You need to click on that. Now after clicking on this plus sign, you need to select this audio input capture option. Just click on that. And here we will select and name the source. So you can select any name you want. So for example, I'm using the Rode mic for my recording. So I'll just name it as Rode mic, and you can click on OK. And after that, you need to select that device that you want to configure. So this is the microphone high definition audio device. I'll use that. So this is the default setting. This basically it picks it up from the control panel. So if you want to set other preference in the microphone, so it will automatically pick up that what is set as preference. So let's click OK. And as you can see here, as I'm talking in the mic, it's the bars are going up and down. That's basically to confirm that the microphone is working. So this is how you can configure the mic or add the microphone to OBS Studio. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.